guys, it's Ginger here, and today we're back with another video. Okay, so it's kinda like weird, cause like not weird or awesome or some shit, cause I just saw like literally in front of me a cat just like go like running and then jumping and catching a bird. It was actually a dove. And I was like, poor dove, because the dove tried to fly, but the cat just like smacked it on its wing and then it fell, and the cat just bit it. Yeah, tried scaring off the cat, but she went off with him or her. Okay, so let's get back where you in this video, because this, as you can see, I got a new KTM replica. This is just my new baby, okay? So let's start it up and let's go. Okay, that was a good one. So yeah, this is my bike, and oh shit, it's brand new, that's why, for like a lot of smokes, 2-stroke, and yeah, there's a button to close it, and it is awesome, and it is really fast. It's I think 100cc it goes, and yeah, so thanks for watching, guys. Please subscribe, and if you want to see more of this, like GoPro riding or anything like that, just leave it in the link comment below, and like, oh, and subscribe.